What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I'm gonna give this information to y'all real quick because I gotta go. But if y'all looking for a last minute Father's Day gift, this is one for you. Now, Ryobi has something called Ryobi Days. This is a sale that's going on right now. It ends tomorrow on Father's Day, so please try to get to Home Depot or go on the website before the end of tomorrow. What you do is you go on Home Depot, you go down here where it says Ryobi Days, you hit shop now, and basically you get a free tool. Now, how do you get this free tool? You have to buy the starter kit. The starter kit consists of 2 batteries and a charger, and you get a free tool, whatever tool you want to get. So you have a jigsaw, rotor, fan, impact wrench, which is pretty good. Oh, but no, the impact wrench is $200, but you get 3 batteries. Still pretty good. It's decent, and you get a bag with it. You get the oscillating saw, just a whole bunch of tools, man. You get a whole bunch of tools. It's not Ryobi's high-end tools, but it's a starter kit. So, like right here, you get a 5.5-inch saw. It's not a 7-inch saw, but you get a 5.5-inch saw, 2 batteries, and a charger. This is pretty nice. I think last year I did this. What I got was, I think it was a leaf blower, I believe. I can't remember, but I did get a free tool last year. Other than that, that's about it. I will try to do this video again tomorrow to give you another in-depth before the sale ends. I'll catch y'all on the next video, and please get out there and get to the sales. Catch y'all on the next one.